recording now. Well, hello everybody. How are you today? It is November 15th, 2009, 1:02 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm broadcasting live on Block TV right now, and the people in my chat are Bernacid, Leon222, Nicole H, she's very cute, Polka Dot Penguin, she's very cute, Maddie Juwani, and Mikey3125. I've been very sick for the past few days, for the past 4 days. I don't have my fever anymore, but I still have a really bad cough. We thought it may have been a case of the swine flu. We don't know yet. We called the center that is responsible for swine flu shots in our city. What they told my dad was, wait and see if your son's fever lasts for more than 4 days. If it does, then you can bring him to get the shot. If it doesn't, then don't bother. My fever didn't last for 4 days. I only had it for 2.5 days. But I still have a bad case of the coughs. So this eating video is a very special one. I've never done this on camera before. It's my first time. I think you're gonna enjoy my reaction. It's gonna be... You're gonna love this one. Robitussin cough and cold. How does that commercial go? Robitussin, it's bless you for coughs. Isn't that what they say on that TV commercial? Anyways. Opening up the package. Here's the lovely, lovely bottle. Oh, stinky fingers now. Getting my spoon. I hope I don't spill anything. I'm not really good with my hands, kind of shaky. That's a big spoon, yeah, I know. It's a tablespoon, so. Let's open this up. I hope my dad hasn't closed it too tight. No, he hasn't. Opening up the bottle. Oh, and they supposedly flavor this stuff. Like, this is supposedly cherry. It's even worse when they try to flavor it. It makes it worse, so don't bother. Oh, God. Whew. Yeah, cherry, see? Oh. Oh. Alright. Yeah. Let's get done with it. I just hope I don't spill any. Doo-doo-doo. Oh God, okay. Here we go. Oh. Ah. Ah. Holy. Ugh. Ah. Somebody exchange my tongue with yours. Ah. Now I feel like I should pant with like dogs do. Ah. Oh my God. Oh. I'm not even exaggerating this one. Oh. Ah. So bad. Oh. My God. Horrible, horrible stuff. Ugh. Ugh. I think my face is gonna be stuck like this now. Wow. Ugh. Oh my. Okay, this is gonna take me a few minutes to get over, but seriously, wow. Oh, great! I cough right after I take the cough medicine. Isn't that like the perfect non-commercial for the medicine? Makes you cough even more. God. Whew. Somebody smacked me upside the head. Wow. Ugh. Okay. Well, if that wasn't proof enough that I was actually sick for the past 4 days and that's why I had to miss 1.5 days of school, then I don't know what is, because I'm not crazy enough to take Robitussin without being sick. Yeah. Ooh, God. Anyways. Wow. I can't get over the taste. I seriously cannot get over the freaking taste. Yeah, I want to thank everybody in the chat. I'll name them again. Leon222, Nicole H, Polka Dot Penguin, Maddie Juwani, and Mikey3125. People ask me, what's your blog TV address? My blog TV address is www.blogtv.com/people/PAYKAN. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/PAYKAN, and my blog address, not my blog TV address, don't freak out, my personal video blog address, www.persianyouth.blogspot.com. I will see you in the next video.